How to log out on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can log out of your account on Twitter app. Now, logging out of your account on Twitter can be quite tricky, so let me guide you through. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you. First, all you have to do is open up Twitter app and you'll get an interface like this once you're logged into your account here, if you're logged into your account. Now, to be able to log out, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of the screen. And here what you want to do is scroll down below and you'll find the option settings and support, and further below you'll find settings and privacy. Simply tap on settings and privacy, and here what you want to do is head into the first option, your account. Under your account you'll find the option account information. Simply tap on the account information that you can see at the very top, and here at the very end of options you'll find the logout option. Simply tap on logout option and it'll ask you for confirmation. Logging out will remove all Twitter data from this device. Simply tap on logout again and your account will get logged out. So this way you can log out on Twitter. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.